The Pope who made a pact with the devil. The debauchery of the clergy was not just about wealth, marriage, or comforts, or the lack of it. Astrology and philosophy can often lead to demonolatry. Deals with the devil always seem to be told with the idea of sneaky terms that are not to be understood by who agrees to the contract. Some leaders will exceed the doctrines they preside over in wanting of both sides. Mary Diana coming to him when he lost a loved one provides a lesson for those who may find themselves vulnerable to demonic influence. But Pope Sylvester II being attacked by a demon during a mass in St. Christ in Jerusalem, Rione, Esquilino, Rome, should really be considered in his favor. Because, if he was told, hey, don't do this, and if he's doing things or not doing things because the devil has decided it, it's kind of taking the devil as his Lord, right? So he wasn't doing that. It could be said that the book he took from a Muslim was the Picatrix. Gayo Hakim, that and playing dice with demons probably shouldn't be considered in his favor. Ends justify the means, and an attempt to turn a focus to the kingdom that Jesus said was not his, the world, are not exactly Christian ways. Now, a lot of things have become Christian ways because you can just do things in the name of Jesus and it somehow becomes Christian, right?